Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Maker Faire 2015 is entering day 2. They just opened the gates. I remain the same person I was yesterday, more or less, give or take, with some change, because everything changes. And today, my name is Colin Carlisle. I was doing a live first-person tour of the Maker Faire 2015 here in New York. Today, unfortunately, our schedule had to rearrange a bit from my previously planned route through the awesome wonders of the NYSCI building, because there is way too much lead in the walls, so I can't actually broadcast from the building. So we're gonna walk around outside. There is an updated schedule online, I believe. And let's get to that, huh? I think that's a good plan. What do you think? Okay, let's go. Giant Slinky. Giant Slinky. That's pretty cool. Well, we've got this right here in front of us. Let's find out what this is. This is Team Textiles. We have a loom, an easel type loom here.
They're awesome. We're weaving, we're knitting, we're creating our
I see you've got a knitting machine over there.
Yes, we do, with very heavy gauge rope, and it's going to end up being one of our benches in the museum, so we're kind of excited about that.
That is pretty exciting.
It's
Full of yoga balls?
Full of yoga balls. And it's been a bouncing and happening area all through Maker Faire.
So what's your name?
My name's Dorothy.
Nice to meet you, Dorothy. My name's Colin. I'm doing a live stream for Make. And today we're going to start out here and talk to you.
Oh, great.
So what do you want to tell us about your group?
Well, our group here is at NYSCI Design Lab, and we do all sorts of making and design activities to kind of open up technology and art and design and bring it all together for all sorts of people. And a great entry in is textiles, because they're really fascinating. People think we're just knitting and weaving, but there's much more to it. The way you weave and the way you knit has everything to do with structure and pattern, and how things are strong or not, and that's kind of what we're trying to get at. And it's just really fun.
And what's with the?
It's fun, right?
Yes, I know. Supposed to be autofocusing. Sorry, and it's not.
You have to talk to my colleague. She's a genius behind this too.
Look, you can go inside. Do you want to go inside?
I was going to ask you about your chicken wire rag tunnel.
Oh, this chicken wire is a pretty amazing place. Again, it's just another form of weaving. Things with holes are basically weavable. So we've been having people throughout the day, and it really is a team textiles effort, because by the end of the day we hope to have it covered. Yesterday we had quite a bit of people inside and outside, so you can in and out. You can weave lettering, you can tie, there are lots of ways in. So we're excited about this becoming a piece that lives on to as a kind of picture of what's happened at Maker Faire.
Awesome. So what is your favorite textile art?
Thank you.
What's my favorite textile
What
art?
do you find yourself doing at home relaxing?
I think crocheting is my thing. Yeah, crochet is definitely it. But
3 times as fast, 3 times as much yarn.
exactly. Peggy is like the uber knitter and felter, and I'm trying to pick up on that. So it's just it's an amazing thing to think with your hands, which I guess every maker says that, but really there's something really therapeutic, but also kind of obsessive about knitting and weaving. That's very satisfying. So
Yes.
that's what we have.
All right. So your name again was,
Dorothy Bennett,
and you are representing.
the New York Hall of Science.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
It works the way that by tapping on the screen it works. So this is the knitting machine we were talking about. And you can see they're making a giant tube out of 1/2-inch rope that they are then filling with yoga balls.
Say what we say. All three are Did you see Anthony?
There's the bench. Hey guys.
Hello.
So my name's Colin. I'm doing a live stream for Make. And today I'm walking through NYSCI Village. And I saw your fighting robot over there. And I wanted to come say hi to you guys. So who are you gentlemen?
We're team high school students. So this robot right over here was built by a team of about 30 high school students. And the whole purpose was to build the robot to compete in the first robotics competition. It's a national organization where hundreds of teams get together and compete every year for a chance to go to world championships and compete against the best robots in the world. So this is just one of those robots. It competed at the New York City Regional at the Gadget Center earlier in March. It won the competition, and we went to St. Louis to compete against all these amazing robots from around the world.
All right. Can we come in and see it?
Yeah, absolutely. They're working on the robot right now. They're currently replacing a wheel, so you can get some live action.
So we got these guys in here right now, working on replacing a wheel. Hi guys.
Hi.
So I'm doing a live stream for Make, and I'm gonna come watch you guys work for a minute.
All right.
You want to introduce yourselves?
I'm Bradley.
Anthony. Wilfredo.
Tia.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Oh my god, dude. Where's Jenna?
So what happened to your wheel?
So yesterday when we were strafing, some of the pegs on this wheel broke off.
Nice.
Now we're just trying to replace it quick enough for the little kids to use again.
Yeah.
Right. The broken one?
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, I have a broken one. Right here. They should be the same size, the same wheel. I don't know why it's not sliding.
What did you send?
I sent him the drivetrain box. I don't know where it is though.
Sharing with my shorts.
Where is it? You got it? Yes. You should fit in. Hopefully.
Are they different now?
Yeah, these slide in.
Yeah, these are different.
No wonder.
It's for a different wheel.
Oh, no wonder.
These are left. This is for right.
Alright. Where's the... this one?
We have like one shaft left.
One shaft?
Yeah.
Almost. One at a time. Got it.
So, you want to tell me what your robot's primary forms of attack are? How does your robot fight?
My robot doesn't fight. He stacks stones. Every year they give us a new game.
Oh, okay.
We have to accomplish. We have to build a robot in order to
Overcome an obstacle course.
So this year, 14 was in order to teach 3 robot teams. We had to stack toes, one over the other. That was pretty much the game easier. So robot can be used Kinetic with one battery in order to power itself.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys for your time. Or you're almost done with that, aren't you?
Yeah, but we have one more way to fix it after this one.
All right. Well, thank you guys. Have fun. Take care. Hello. Are you guys working with noticing tools?
We are.
Well, good morning then.
Good morning.
My name is Colin. I'm doing a live stream for Make, and this is the NYSCI morning.
It is a nice side morning.
Yes. So, what do you guys want to tell me about noticing tools?
Well, today we're presenting 3 of our 5 noticing tools that we recently launched in the App Store. And we have playground physics over here. This tracks motion. So you can use balls, or we're throwing paper airplanes today as the airplane flies over. I recently tracked tennis players over at the US Open. Tracked a tennis ball going back and forth. It was really nice. It gives you speed and all sorts of other data about the motion. We also have an app today we're presenting called Fraction Mash. You can kind of see here, you can kind of mash 2 pictures together. So kids like to mash themselves with their pets or their parents or teachers. And this is just a really simple example. You can also take a picture, draw it, and mash that together. That's kind of a fun thing to do. So all of these have a kind of middle to high school math, science component blended into the really engaging activities. The other one we're presenting today is called Choreograph. And with that one, you create an animation. It's a little animation studio. And there's a layer of grid over the top of this and track all of the motion that's happening with coordinates and rotations, and it just really blends nicely with middle school math content.
Absolutely.
The other thing I want to share is that we have a great website to go along with the apps. It's just Google NYSCI Noticing, and there's lessons for every app. They're all free. The apps cost a little bit of money, but we're really excited about teachers starting to use these this fall, and through the school year we'll be working together with lots of teachers. And so
So I noticed you guys are using iPads. Is this also available for Android?
At the moment, it's just for iPads. Yeah.
Okay. No big deal. It's just a question.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So you're going around to everybody
Everything,
here?
yeah.
Cool. Yeah, we had a great day yesterday. Lots of engagement. Lots of people want us to email them their pictures. With these tools, kids are asking if they can Instagram their math homework, which has never happened, you know, like that a kid's proud enough of their math homework that they want to share it with the world, you know?
Yeah.
So we're pretty excited about the engagement factor, and now it's really going to be up to teachers to connect it to their curriculums and bring it into the classroom, so we're excited about that opportunity.
All right.
Yeah.
And your name is, sir?
I'm Scott.
Nice to meet you, Scott. I'm Colin.
Colin, nice
and
to
you're
meet
here
you.
representing?
Here representing New York Hall of Science, along with several colleagues, and yeah, we're having a great time.
All right, cool. Thank you.
Thanks for stopping by.
Oh, yeah. Must be over here. Since I'm gonna go out that way. So this is something that I've been looking forward to seeing. We've got a big old tub of oobleck here. Hey guys, who can talk to the camera?
It's really fun.
Yeah? Let me come on over to you. Good morning.
Morning. Hi.
So tell me, ma'am, what's your name?
Jessica.
Nice to meet you, Jessica. And what are you guys doing here?
So this is NYSCI Village. We're the explainer department, and right now we're doing an oobleck walk and having our visitors just walk across the oobleck pool.
Yep.
So something really interesting about the oobleck is that it's a non-Newtonian fluid. So when you have it, put a lot of pressure on it, it becomes a solid, but then if you just let it go, it just melts off like a liquid.
Yeah.
So it's non-Newtonian because it doesn't follow Newton's laws. It kind of does whatever it wants. Right.
So, for people at home who don't know, how does one make oobleck?
So it's a very simple process. You just need 2 ingredients, and a third if you want to be fancy. Cornstarch, water, and food coloring if you want to make it look really nice. So you just got to add the food coloring to the water, mix the water with the cornstarch, and just start mixing it up.
Okay. And what other cool things can you do with oobleck?
For the cool things, well, right now our visitors are walking across it. So if
Or
they move
jumping
really
on
fast, they can kind of like pretend they're ninjas and walking across the water. Or if they want to practice, how to escape from quicksand, they can just sit in it and they'll just sink to the bottom. But don't worry, it's not that deep.
Like that young man did. He's having a hard time getting out now. There we go.
No, don't sit, don't sit, don't sit.
So, you're here as a member of the New York Hall of Science?
Yes, I'm an explainer, a senior explainer.
Okay. What else? What else is there to talk about with oobleck?
Well,
There's the wonderful things it does with sound waves.
yeah, so if you have a speaker and you put it on the subwoofer, and you start playing music that has a lot of bass, it's going to start moving and start doing some really cool jumping. Really cool if you have a slow motion camera.
Yeah.
Now try hitting it.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Sure, no problem.
What else are they doing? They've got mini golf over here. I mean, come on. Mini golf in the science lab. That's awesome. Let's go talk to these guys who have some Vandegraaff.
Again, smaller pieces. Would you like to try it? Yeah. Are you sure? Yeah, go ahead. Perfect. The effect might be even better with you. Yeah.
No.
I'll try it.
You try. Okay. So what you're going to do is place your hands on the Vandegraaff generator like this. Okay? Alright.
Hi there.
How you doing, sir?
Are you one of our explainers?
Yeah, I am.
Nice to meet you. What's your name, sir?
I'm Brian. Nice to meet you.
Brian?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. I'm Colin.
Nice to meet you.
So I see you guys have Vandegraaff generators going.
Yeah.
Explain to me what you guys are showing off here.
So here, I have a really cool trick to show you.
All right.
I think I can defy gravity. I think I can put this ball through here, spin around a few times, and then catch it.
I think you can.
You think you can?
Yes.
All right. How many times? I'll spin around 5 times, right? You'll tell me when to go.
All right.
Yeah?
Yeah. Go.
2, 3, 4,
There's here all the
5.
way, and it's
Oh, I was close.
Yep.
But you got it. You want to try it? One from the audience want to try? What I want you to do is do exactly what I just did. I want you to put this ball through here, spin around a couple times, and catch it. You think you can do that?
Probably not.
Huh?
Okay, so I put it through here and I spin around and then I just catch the ball.
Well, try and keep your hand on the side a little bit. Whoa. Right? Keep it like by your pocket. Keep it right there. See if you can try and catch it. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa. I can do it. Whoa.
So, it's over there on the grass.
Yeah. Want to try a different rod maybe? Sure, here on. Here, let me grab that ball. I'll do that one. Maybe it's the rod. Maybe you should try a different rod.
Is there a trick to this?
Huh? Maybe it's a different rod, huh?
A little bit of both. So you're neutral, right? So that's why I can touch you and everything.
Try spinning around just twice. And then try to catch it.
Possibly.
Well,
Right? And then once you get balance,
Oh, they got a smoking cannon over there. So,
maybe try a different ball.
how about you explain to the kids at home what's going on here?
Alright. So kids, here, I actually switched the balls. So I have in the ball, so this ball she's about to put that ball in here. It's a magnet. Try putting it in and see what happens.
You guys have to spin.
Huh? Yeah, you can try spinning.
That makes sense.
So what happens is that copper is actually a conductor, meaning it conducts electricity. And you have a magnet over here. And so when a conductor when you have a conductor in a moving magnetic field, it creates a current. And that current creates its own magnetic field. So therefore, when the magnetic field of the magnet and the new magnetic field hit each other, they stop and they start going really slowly. However, even though it should really stop, it doesn't. Because gravity pulls it down. The acceleration of gravity keeps pulling it down.
You tricked me. Awesome.
Cool.
All right, Brian. Thank you. Now, can you tell me a bit about Van de Graaff generators?
Yeah, sure. Van de Graaff generators. Essentially, a Van de Graaff generator generates electricity.
It's actually not being attracted so much.
And how does it generate electricity?
There's like a rubber belt on the bottom that's moving and it creates the electricity. And so when you put your hand on it, you don't get electrocuted actually. The electricity flows through you. It's a rule that electrons, which are negatively charged particles and atoms, actually travel through your body and can do a lot of cool things. As you can see on this boy's head, all the electricity is going through him and it's causing his hair to stick up. And if he was holding confetti,
the confetti stick up too.
It would all go flying if it was really the same. Because electricity, all the electrons go up through him, and they all hit each other. And they all, since they're all the same charge, they all repel each other, and they all go flying. So that's why his hair is all crazy.
Awesome. All right, thank you for your time, Brian.
No problem. Take care.
Okay. Now we're gonna change our battery. Good? Okay. Hi. I was really hoping these would be more fun. Seems like awesome stuff.
It comes out as a circle.
Yeah, you're right. So over here is where the air is stopping. So over here, when the air comes out, it's at a high pressure, but the air in the inside is at a low pressure. The air that's coming out is low pressure, and the air that's inside is at high pressure. So the air at high pressure is moving slower, and then that's why you start to see the ring, because the ring is coming out at a high pressure and it's going faster than the rest of the air that's in the garbage can. So yeah, but you want to see it again? The air? Okay, let's pull it up.
Ready? You gonna hit it?
Yeah.
Oh,
you go. Thank you.
Hey guys.
Hi, how are you?
Doing well, thank you. So my name's Colin, and I'm doing a live stream for me. And this morning I'm walking on the NYSCI Village talking to people about what they're showing off. So you guys have a smoke ring cannon.
Yeah.
Can you explain to me how you guys made it?
How we made it? Well, we just have a garbage can and we put a piece of plastic over it. And over here we have a rope that's like keeping it down and keeping the outside closed so that when we put the air stays in the garbage can.
And it's not just any garbage can. It's actually the garbage can of science. We gave it a name. So basically, what we ask kids here is, what is air? Can you actually see like air? But you can feel it if you do this. Everybody, they would know that. So then what we do, we actually fill it in with fog, just like we did.
What are you guys doing over here?
So we just put fog inside. So how do you guys think it's gonna come out as?
Gases.
What do you guys think it's gonna come out as? Like circle? Or like just a big fog? Like what do you guys think? Circle? Okay. Let's try.
Donuts. Oh, cool. Look at that.
So what do they look like?
Whoa.
You can't say they look like your head.
Take your glasses off.
Greatest substance on the planet Earth. Well, can you guys usually see air? Like if we didn't have this, like we didn't even have this garbage can. Do you guys usually see air? No, but you can feel it, right? So basically when we use this garbage can and we hit it, if there's no air in it, you guys can still feel the air touching your face if we didn't have any fog in it. And since we do have the fog, we're basically trying to show you how the air is traveling. So in the garbage can, the air that's moving slower is at a high pressure. And when the rings that you guys see when we hit the garbage can, that air is moving at a high pressure, at a low pressure, because it's moving faster. And then that's why we start to see the rings, because the air is getting trapped behind over here. And then the air comes out that's moving faster, it comes out as a ring, see, because we have a circle. But we can fill it up. So show them that. There's no, so if you have no air, if you have no fog in the garbage can you guys still feel it? Yeah. So even though there's no fog in the garbage can right now,
So something I promised I'd do yesterday is come by and see the cardboard T-Rex guys. So I'm gonna go do that. K9. Whoa, whoa, important man coming through. Good morning. So, I came by to talk about Kit Rex.
all right, cool. Well,
you came to the right booth, sir.
You would talk to.
That's true, I did. Wouldn't make too much sense to ask, someone else about Kit Rex.
It would be an interesting thought. I mean, it might be interesting to see how your show goes with that.
So tell me what you do.
Well,
You set your food down,
That's exactly what I do.
You are filled with sadness.
Ignore my crepe.
Yeah.
Actually, you're doing a recording and whatnot.
I'm doing a live stream.
She's the one who makes it, so let's...
Hello.
Hi there.
How are you?
Great. I'm doing fantastic this morning. How about
What's
you?
your name?
I'm Lisa Glover. I'm
Nice
the
to meet you,
creator
Lisa.
of These dinos.
Okay. Are you the one that was wearing it yesterday morning?
Yes, I am.
Then we saw you yesterday dancing with the crowd.
Oh, I had so much fun. I love getting this. I love it when people smile when they see these, and that's especially getting to dance around in it.
Yes.
It makes it more fun. Dancing dinos,
It is. So tell me about Kit Rex.
So, it all started actually with this Halloween costume that I had made. it was part of a homework assignment / Halloween costume 2 years ago, and I had to explore manufacturing process and demonstrate it in a unique and interesting way, and I found this thing called industrial origami. And it usually uses sheet metal to fold really complex, awesome objects. You can use sheet metal, send someone something that's been cut out of sheet metal, send them something that's been cut out of sheet metal, and then they can fold it up into whatever it's supposed to be. And usually it's for very utilitarian kind of things. Well, my interesting way of demonstrating it was making a costume, making something fanciful. And I also realized, you know, the sheet metal's a little heavy for a costume, so let's demonstrate it in cardboard. So I wore this guy to class and everyone loved him, and I wore him to a Halloween party on campus and everyone went nuts, which I wasn't expecting. So people basically harassed me into doing something more with it. They loved that original dinosaur, even though it was falling apart. It wasn't a very good design, but I think I captivated people's imaginations with this dinosaur. And so, because I realized most people couldn't have one in their living room that was 15 feet tall, 15 feet long, I developed these little mini ones that are now kits they're kits for kids to make, and you can have your own little cute dinosaur buddy. But of course, the thing I really love here is getting to go around in my dinosaur costume and chase little kids and interact with the crowds. It's so much fun.
Okay. How do people get a hold of your kits?
They can go to www.kit-rex.com, or of course they can stop by my booth today. We have plenty of kits here. I'm developing new ones all the time, so I actually just finished I had run a very successful Kickstarter for these guys, actually. I was looking to raise only $8,000 and I ended up raising $110,000. And then I also ran a Kickstarter campaign that was successful for a pterodactyl model, and then these guys, the Triceratops, the Brontosaurus, and the T-Rex are all much newer creations that I'm doing a little test selling here today, but I'll hopefully be bringing those to a wider market pretty soon.
All right, cool, thank you. Have a great show. So now, because Microsoft is a bust, we're gonna go see Microsoft for a while, because they have some cool projects showing off too. And I like to see these guys, because that's pretty cool. We'll see. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Doing well, thank you.
You're about to see where I actually earned my keep.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning. How's it going?
It's going quite well, thank you.
How are you? You came back.
I came back.
You're calling live?
I am calling, doing the live stream.
I'm very, very sorry I wasn't able to answer your questions yesterday. We were pretty swamped.
It's okay.
What can I help you with today?
Well, last time I actually ran out of time after just seeing the piano, so I wanted to come by and see the rest of what Microsoft was showing off.
Okay. Still better, but so do you want me to tell you what's going on here? Or?
Yes.
Okay. So this is Lou. I'm Dan.
There. Hi, Luke. Hi, Dan.
What we've got here is a standard slot car racetrack with these cars. They're Slot RX. Is that right? Slot X. Scale X. We've got a Raspberry Pi 2 that's hooked up to this monitor. Wirelessly, it's connected to these two phones. And it's connected through this little interop board to this I2C PWM motor controller, okay? And what we do is, based on the accelerometer value coming off the phone, from when you tilt it, it sends a higher or lower value to the Raspberry Pi, which interprets it and changes the voltage on the track, which then in turn makes the car go either faster or slower. And we have it so the track is instrumented at multiple points through optical sensors. Those optical sensors, every time it comes through one of them, the lights up there will switch, telling you which pin is active, and then at the end it'll tell you which of the two racers won. The cars got pretty dirty yesterday from all the dust in the air, And so we're in the process of cleaning them out right now to get them racing better. You know, electrical systems have a little bit more robustness than the mechanical systems these days. So, but that's the idea. So you've got telemetry, you've got general purpose input and output, you have I2C communication, and it's something you can build at home. So it's pretty cool. Do you have any questions? Or? Oh, it's running Windows 10 on the Raspberry Pi 2. It's running Windows 10 on the phones as well. And it's an app that we built and you can find online at windowsdevices.com. And so you enter the IP address. It's asking for the IP address, which is written right down there.
So
it connects up to the Raspberry Pi 2, and then you'll just control it.
Awesome.
Yeah. But like I said, we're in the process of fixing it right now. We gave the car its 24,000-mile tire rotation just now.
Of course. The dust is pretty ultra-pervasive.
Yeah.
I'm definitely going to be taking some New York home with me. Yeah. All right. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you. If I can answer any more questions, let me know.
If I think of any more. Yeah.
Well, the whole operating system.
Let's see what these guys are.
So yeah, I'll check out your Kickstarter definitely. It looks interesting. What's the for the full kit? How much is the Kickstarter? 39. How much? Wow. Oh, okay.
The IoT core, does that work on screen?
The module
and we'll actually install IoT Core on the desktop because you can install Windows 10 on the desktop, right? So there's kind of three versions of Windows 10. There's desktop, mobile, GSM, or phone, and core. And since they're all running the same core, we have this concept of we call it a universal Windows project. And you write a universal Windows project, and it will run on all three platforms. And so you can write the same code for your phone as you do for your IoT device as you do for your desktop. And maybe just create a little bit more for your desktop because you want this UI.
Yes, I'll make sure to stay in touch with you. We'll connect on LinkedIn. And if I see opportunities,
yeah, I know. I actually write a lot of Linux myself. I do a lot of this on Edison. And I also always have a Raspbian version of the Raspberry Pi that I do some things on. And you know, sometimes it makes sense to use Linux for your project. Linux and Node is what I tend to use for a lot of things. Then other times it's like awesome to have this really nice development environment and this ability to do really robust things like speech synthesis.
Yeah, I love all the times when I'm trying to start a project.
How about we come back to this?
What district? Check it out. Squint your eyes a bit. Right? Nice, right? You want a photo with it? Let me get you on the photo. Come on here.
Sure. And then you can tell me about what you're doing.
Of course. I get camera.
I'm doing a live stream for Make.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So let me get your face without the call in live. Actually, you know what? Let me get the call in live as well. 1, 2. There you go. Now.
Yep.
Check it out. Now squint your eyes.
Yep. It makes a lot more sense through the camera. Yeah.
What we have is we've created a library called Windows Remote
Mm-hmm.
that once we take a photograph of the phone does all the processing of the universal Windows platform app.
Mm-hmm.
The Arduino on its own cannot do the processing, right? So using Bluetooth, you just transfer the image to the Arduino and then it renders the picture there.
Awesome. How many LEDs are in your grid?
It's a 64-grid LED. Oh, you look cool. I want your photo. Hold on. So 64 this one and 64 this one. And then 64 strip.
Nice. Awesome. And you're using the universal Windows?
Yes. So we app here.
Right.
Photographs. So if you do this
Right.
Why aren't you taking a picture?
By the back, you see a much super clear eye.
Right. Awesome. Thank you. What's your name?
Vivek.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay.
like you're working.
Yes.
So my name's Colin. I'm doing a live stream for Make. Nice
Very
to meet you.
nice to meet you.
Would you like to tell me what you are making or working on?
I work for a market research company, so we're surveying the type of people at the event today.
Okay. All right. What's your name?
I'm Cami.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you having a good show so far?
Yeah, we're getting a lot of responses, good respondents, like interesting people here. It's working out.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hi there. How are you, sir?
Hey, good. How are you?
Doing well, thank you. So I'm doing a live stream for Make, and I wanted to see what you were printing up over here.
So over here on this PrinterBot Metal Simple, we're printing one of the example models that comes with Microsoft's 3D Builder application. In this case, it's a little bulldozer. So it'll take about probably another hour and 15 minutes or so to finish building. But in all additive manufacturing 3D building applications, this just builds layer by layer up. Each layer is about 0.2 millimeters thick, so lays down a set of plastic and then just builds up until you get a finished model. Or in this case, one that didn't quite finish.
All right. What's your name, sir?
My name's Kurt Hunter.
Nice to meet you, Kurt.
Yeah.
So you're showing off specifically a Windows 3D printing program.
Right. So 3D Builder is an application that comes with Windows 10, and also you can download it for Windows 8. And what we're showing is that there's a wide variety of different manufacturers of 3D printers that all work with Windows.
Awesome. I was just having a conversation this morning about 3D printing and CNC machining has gotten to a point where there's less innovation left in the field and more making it accessible. Would you agree or disagree?
I don't know about that. I think there's a ton of innovation still left in this industry. Yeah, absolutely. You're seeing things every day. I mean, I think you're right about the accessibility, though, right? I mean, these things are coming down in price, and there's more and more people able to access the technology. But there's, I think we're just at the starting place. There's a lot of interesting things I think that will come up.
Awesome. All right. Well, thank you, Kurt.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Like I just buy sort of software program.
Oh, it is a Sprout. That explains why it looks familiar. Oh, cool. Hi there.
Hi. How are you guys doing?
I'm doing well, thank you. My name is Colin, and I'm doing a live stream for Make. And I wanted to come see what you were showing off.
Yeah, so what I'm showing off here is a Windows 10 IoT Core application running on two Raspberry Pi 2s running Windows 10 IoT Core. And what we wanted to show off was the power and the capability you get by using Windows 10, in particular using stuff like text-to-speech, speech-to-text, and translation. So what this is a translation service that lets you speak English into one end, and the other end will come out in Mandarin. And we've used this before, in Shenzhen to talk to some of the people who are coming to our booth, and I'll try to demo it for you now. Now, we'll see how well it works, because sometimes the internet's been cutting out, and because this uses the Bing translation service, if we don't have internet access, it'll sometimes choke. So let's see. Hello, good morning. This is Sunday in New York. So now if this works, if we listen to these microphones, these speakers, you can hear, maybe not. So I don't know if you heard that, but out of these speakers here, it came out in spoken Mandarin, and it also comes out in written Mandarin on our screen.
Awesome.
So thanks for talking to me.
Cool. So what's your name, sir?
I'm Kyle.
Nice to meet you, Kyle.
I work on the IoT Maker team at Microsoft, and we really want to get Windows in a good position so people are using it to make really cool projects. And we want to hear about those projects. We want you to share those projects with us and tell us what you're doing and how we can make the platform better so you can make really cool stuff.
All right, cool. What's the coolest thing that you think you're showing off here today?
I mean, a lot of these demos are really awesome. The selfie curtain is always a good draw.
That's pretty fun.
The kids love the piano, and this is a robot that you can actually speak into and control and say, you can give it a command to tell it what color ball to go to. And you can kind of imagine an extension to that. You could have a robot running Windows 10 where you say, oh, go to my friend Bob, and if you have Bob registered in your robot, it'll know how to get to him. I think that's really cool, and that's something that you get by using our platform. You get all of these really amazing tools. So.
All right, cool. Then I'm going to go talk to the robot people.
Yeah, do that.
Hi guys.
Hi. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. I'm doing a live stream for Make.
Okay.
And Kyle here told me that you're working on a really cool project.
So this is a project of. Can I just take a break? This project is about running Windows 10 on Raspberry Pi, and this is a robot that can see and hear. So this robot can see what's in front, find the color, and it can take audio commands using a headset and then drive towards it. So if you say red, the robot can actually track towards red. If you say green, it can track towards green. And this is all happening on Windows 10 running on IoT Core. This is a standard webcam that it is using, and this is a standard USB headset that's using to track that.
Awesome. What was your inspiration for making this?
So we believe that in the future the machines are going to be driving on their own. So like the computers or the robots should be able to sense the environment around them. So vision and hearing are a key part of that. So this is a step in that direction. We want to have robots that can sort of like see and they can hear and they can process all that information, make decisions, and then you don't have to have a joystick to control them anymore.
Absolutely. What was your name, sir?
My name is Amit.
Amit?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Amit.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for showing off.
Thank you.
Let's come over. So over here, they're doing 3D imaging of people. It's made of people. See her there? And you can see the screen up there. They're imaging her.
Blur out. Elevate here. So there's like face movement. Have you want to try it again? Actually, try one more time if you want. One more time.
I think that's actually pretty cool. Sorry.
Yeah. That direction, you're going to spin your arm and make it. You look around, you're facing the right? So you should have your device.
Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
Doing well, thank you. I'm doing a live stream for Make.
What?
I'm doing a live stream for Make.
Oh, awesome.
And you're making 3D models of people.
Yes, we're doing 3D scanning with the Kinetic V2 sensor. Hold it. Alright, you can come and see alone.
So you say you're using the Kinetic sensor for this?
We're using the Xbox One Kinetic to do that, yes.
Yeah. Awesome.
Alright, see yourself? So I'm going to save your file into a 3ML thumb drive.
I think that's about it. So I'm gonna go talk to those people who have giant wooden cutouts.
That's on the shop line, yeah. And so is this like what the people will see? This will be a backer kit.
Hi there.
Hello. Or, you know, something along those lines. Okay, so that's like a 1/4 inch plywood. Is that I don't actually.
Oh, that's brilliant. He's got a pair of keybacks hooked to his earphones in his hat. Why didn't I think?
And so is this represents so this is half of it right here. Okay. So that's what they're going to get the other part for it right now. Okay. And how many sheets of I think it's 4 of the sheets, or it takes 4 of the sets, or like each one is the I think there's 6 sets. I don't know. Maybe 4 is not the right number. Yeah, no, just see how often. That's 1. And then it's reversed. And then it goes, so these 2 are kind of the same. So it looks like it's 4 sets of kits.
So, I'm doing a live stream for Make.
Oh, okay.
And I saw your giant beast over there, and I wanted to come talk to you about it.
So I'm actually watching the booth for someone right now.
Of course.
So,
all right. Well, thank you.
Sorry.
Well then. Let's head over to the robots. Or we'll talk to this guy about his Legos.
60 or 70. It was actually
because you know in brightest day and blackest night.
Like,
hi there.
What's going on?
Not a whole lot. So I'm doing a live stream for Make.
Hello.
And I see you have awesome Legos.
We have some Lego.
Yes.
We are I Love New York. We're an adult Lego fan club for the New York area. And we make all kinds of things out of Lego. So some of us make spaceships, some of us make pictures. A lot of people do mind storms and robotics and different tech stuff. You know, anything from people walking and making movies to trains and cars and planes. And boats.
I bumped into a guy yesterday who made a Steadicam out of Lego.
Oh, I did not see that. That's cool.
He didn't have it with him here. He's working for someone else. But
okay.
Yeah, that'd be pretty awesome.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, Lego actually had a panel yesterday where they were talking about prototyping things out of Mindstorms and Lego. Pretty cool.
What do you like to build?
I make spaceships mostly.
Yeah.
Spaceships and then like minifigure stuff, things like that. I'm a system builder for the most part.
Did you go over to NASA yet?
Did I what?
Have you been over to the NASA booth yet?
I have not yet.
Yeah, they're doing an award ceremony today at noon.
Oh yeah? I'll have to get over there.
Awesome.
Cool, thanks for coming by.
Thank you. How do people get in touch with your group?
We're online at ilovenewyork.org, ILUGNY, and we're on anything on the internet, Facebook, Flickr, Instagram, etc. It's all just iLugNY.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
like your headphones.
Thank you. Yeah.
So you answer my question. Yeah, where do we go?
Ooh. Sorry about that, guys. Got a little lost in thought. So right now we're going to go over to the robotics tent. Spend some time there. I figure it's going to be pretty interesting to see.
So we're trying to open up, right now it's kind of limited, so we are trying to get distribution. So, and this is the one product we currently have on the market. In our workshops we have basically 4 versions of this, each one getting more and more complex. So as the kids build their skill level. And what's great about this, the Spinbot is for young kids. And this is much more, programmable. Yeah, 10 or 11 up. You can program what it's on. Anyway, I need to get this together. And if you can have the moment here. Your name is Ann? I'll wait till you go. I'll go. Hi. How are you?
Hi there.
Who's Jeremiah?
No. I'm doing a live stream for Make.
Oh,
I was hoping to grab someone to talk to about.
Hi, chat. Hi.
Hello.
Hi there.
So who wants to talk to the internet at large?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Head over to the table here. Or in front of one of the murals up there. Hi there.
So, hey. So, come on through. So,
how are you today?
Great. We're having a great time at Maker Faire North. Maker Faire. The crowds are coming in. We're doing a lot of cool robotic art here. These are the Spinbots. Basically, we have a workshop where the kids can build them, put them together, and then choose their markers and make cool collaborative art piece here. We're getting a lot of kids in here that are building the robots for the first time.
having a lot of fun doing it. This is the smallest robot builder. She's our product tester, Remy Rue. So she's a big Hackster fan, as you can tell. So, and she's quality control and testing to destruction. So, do you have any questions for us?
Yeah, so tell me what SpinBot is.
SpinBot is a simple robotics kit that goes together with zip ties and rubber bands, and it basically teaches kids what a circuit is. They have to connect a battery to a switch to a motor, and if they do it correctly and push the button, the motor will spin around, and when that's placed on the surface, it spins and does a cool circular precession pattern. You can adapt the wheel on it with different shapes, and it'll do different dotted lines or squiggly lines. The one in the far one there, we've moved the motor off the leg onto the top of the body and put a weight on it. So now it's a vibrobot, so it's much more random. That's what you see all the random lines are. So it's go together with, this one is held together with pipe cleaners. So it's very, very adaptive. Kids can make it their own. A lot of kids take it home and add to it. They'll add blinky lights to it. That's one. You can do light painting with it. If you put blinky lights on it, turn off the lights, start taking pictures. It does long exposure pictures. There's some on a fence over there. It's just really a basic, get kids at a young age interested in technology through art.
Awesome. And your name is?
I'm Chris Myers.
Nice to meet you, Chris. And how do people find SpinBots?
We're online. We're in the Maker Shed. So we carry the SpinBots in the Maker Shed. We also, our company is called artbottoys.com, and there's a whole range of robots on our website.
Awesome, thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, guys. Excuse me.
It's sponsored by Lego, of course. We make robotics, robot parts. But this is a mission, basically.
Whatever color it lands on, you pick whatever color. Where you would pull this, and we didn't bring the part, but there's a string that ties around and it lifts up the face.
Hi there. So I'm doing a live stream for Make, and I was hoping I could find someone to talk to about your Lego League.
So you guys want to talk about the live stream?
You're live on.
We're on Make. Make Media.
This is FLL, made out of Legos, robots, other stuff like that. It's been a while since I did this stuff, but what I remember,
It's pretty loud in here.
Oh, alright, I'll speak up.
Thank you.
So, every year there's a challenge made up out of Legos and stuff. So, what you have to do is you have to accomplish the challenge. So, we have to build robots and program them on how to accomplish this challenge. Whether it's turning a lever or grabbing stuff. Basically, every year we have to do something like that. And it's a kind of it's a continuous process. We have to do it for about a couple of months. We use sensors, such as the color sensor that you can see down there, and we're allowed, if I remember correctly, 3 motors. So essentially we have 2 motors for the wheels to allow control, stability. And usually the last motor we have is for any attachments you want.
Yeah, 4 motors.
Really? They changed to 4? Yeah. Okay, 4 motors. I'm going to hand it over to this guy.
Okay, so basically what the robot is doing now is trying to grab the loop, but it didn't succeed. And this robot has 2 sensors in the front, and it uses these sensors to follow lines. And right now it's going back to base.
You can't touch the robot outside of the base.
Why no?
Yeah, I know. You're in. Any part of the robot that's inside of the base you can touch. You can't touch it if it's outside the base, otherwise you get a penalty for your score.
I can't hear you.
Alright. You can't touch the robot outside of the base.
Oh, okay.
Anytime we touch the robot outside of the base, we get a penalty to our score.
So either the robot has to be entirely inside the base, or part of it has to be inside the base before you can touch it.
We hit the green line.
Okay.
Once we hit that green line, and then all that
Are you resetting the course?
No, it's doing another mission.
Okay.
So, in one round, the robot has 2.5 missions to complete as many missions on the game board as it possibly can.
Gotcha. Okay, cool. So, how did you guys get into this? Anyone?
Well, I know how I got into it.
How did you get into this?
Word of mouth. I heard from a friend, and then I did some research, and I found this place, and I've been going here ever since. That was about 6 years ago, if I remember correctly.
Okay. And how do people find the Lego League?
Well, they can. Well, most people don't actually know about FLL, so they can come to like community fairs like this one, like Maker Faire, or they can hear about it from friends or community. So yeah, there's some ways that you can learn about FLL.
All right, cool. Thank you guys.
Welcome.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
How are you today?
Good. Great.
I'm doing a live stream for Make, and I turned around and here you were.
I know, fantastic.
So let's talk.
So we're with New York City First.
Okay.
So First is comprised of 4 different programs, starting with our junior FLL program, which is grades 1 to 3. Or FLL, which is actually behind you, where they work with Lego Mindstorms.
Right.
And then we have a First Tech Challenge for middle school to high school, and First Robotics, which is in back. So basically, it's a great program for kids to get involved in science, technology, robotics, team building, communications. You're welcome to actually drive a robot. So take your hand at driving a robot. You look a little older than high school, but if you were in high school, you can actually apply for a First scholarship. So there are $19 million given out by colleges to kids who are involved in First. So again, it's a fantastic program. We have some folks down here from our First headquarters from Manchester. They can tell you more about First overall as a program. But
I'm actually glad that I bumped into you, because
that's great.
I was curious how people would get a hold of the Lego League and they couldn't tell me.
I know, it's perfect. If you go to usfirst.org, on the website, you can actually see if there's a team by you in your community. And there's also information about how to start your own team if there isn't an existing team. So definitely encourage you to do that.
So your name is?
My name's Lee.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And it's US-First or one word?
usfirst.org.
usfirst.org.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Great, thank you.
Let's walk around and look through the stuff. Excuse me, guys. Sorry.
Do you like pictures? That one. Have you heard of First?
What?
Have you heard of First? So we love robots. We're robotics. We're in high school. Are you in high school?
Hi there. How are you? I'm doing a live stream for Make.
Okay.
And right now I'm walking around the first group. Do you want to tell me what you're working on?
Sorry? These are robots for FTC. It's a
So which one are you controlling? The one with the tall arms? Okay. Show me your name.
Yasmin.
Yasmin, nice to meet you, Yasmin. Which team are you on?
Stuyvesant, 10, FTC. Yeah.
All right. Seem to be very nervous.
Yeah.
All right, I'll go find someone else, okay? Hi there.
How you doing?
My name's Colin. I'm doing a live stream for Make.
Awesome.
Running into people with my giant backpack. So, tell me about your first team.
So we're an FTC team. That robot over there. We've been around for about 9 years now. And we created last year. We went regional. We went off-road. Basically, the objective is to pick up all these balls and distribute them into like 2 and
All right. And how are you accomplishing that?
So up front, right there. Fire and then
Okay. It looks like your rope is bound up. All right. Cool. Thank you. Hi there.
Hello.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Doing well, thank you. I'm doing a live stream for Make, and you look like you need someone to talk to.
I'm sorry.
No. So tell me about what you're showing off here.
Basically what I've done is I've designed a robot kit for elementary schoolers so that they can learn how to first build and then program a robot.
Okay.
So they can just, press the arrows and then the robot will go. And what I wanted to do was build a portable robot that kids can build and then not be like super frustrated by. So.
Great. Okay.
So used an Arduino, Palulu motor driver, and some motors that I bought from eBay, and designed a laser cut chassis, and then that's what I did. So.
Okay. What's your name?
Kat Adams.
Kat Adams. And what's the name of your product?
Halley Robotics.
And how do people find it?
It's at my website, build-bots.com.
All right, build-bots.com.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kat.
Awesome, thanks.
That's cool.
Let's move this tape so it opens up some more.
No, this one, right here. Look, there we go. You want to build one of those? You want to make one? Take it right
Hi there.
Make one? So take four pipe cleaners. Yeah, nice.
Hi there.
Hi.
My name's Colin. I'm doing a live stream for Make.
Okay.
And I'm catching bags. Can you tell me about what you guys are doing?
Yeah, so we're making, these are called flying floating robots. They're little parachutes made out is in plastic bags. We're the Brooklyn Robot Foundry, and so we do basic robotics for kids in kids' classes.
All right, cool. And how do people find you guys?
You can go to brooklynrobotfoundry.com and search the Brooklyn Robot Foundry. We have like after-school classes, summer programming, special classes. We do adult corporate events. Yeah, there's bags everywhere.
Yeah. They just made them illegal.
What? Plastic bags? Yeah, same. I'm from California.
Oh well.
That's lives.
Come on, guys, now you need a bag.
All right, thank you, Kara.
Thank you.
Oh boy, come.
Hi there.
Who on Andrew? He's more photogenic.
He's the one to talk to? All right.
We got plenty of them. Welcome. Yeah, and if you want to do it, you have to sign up now because there's limited seating.
You have to be the right?
Yes.
Thank you.
No worries. Hi there.
Hi there. My name is Colin.
Hi, Colin.
I'm doing a live stream for Make.
Great.
And I wanted to come see what you guys are doing.
Great. I'm Andrew. This is Let's Make Robots. We're a free online community of robot makers. Global, all over the world. We have thousands and thousands of members. People join, share their knowledge, post information about their robots, and help each other out. We're also here today. DF Robot, which is a robotics company, donated kits. So we're doing workshops. We did one yesterday. We're doing one today. If you want to sign up, you need to come to the Let's Make Robots table this morning. Sign up because there's limited seating, and then it's this afternoon at 2 o'clock inside in the Make Workshop area.
Okay. How do people find your organization?
Let'sMakeRobots.com.
Let'sMakeRobots.com.
Yep.
What kind of robots do you like to make?
Personally, I built several robots. I don't know if you want to swing around, I can show you them.
Sure.
This is Stuart the Minion, and he's not interactive right now. He just kind of randomly fires off. But I saw him in the toy store, and I just couldn't resist doing something with him. So, you know, I ripped out the guts and put in servos and electronics to run it. And I used this realistic algorithm for the eye blinks and the eye movements to make it look a little more realistic and humanistic. Remember Rico and Eric designed those buggies. He shares his designs online, so you can download his design. Really amazing and beautiful work. I'm very jealous of his ability.
Nice.
Another one of our members, John, makes the robot goldfish, which are a lot of fun. This is a particular challenge is a one-wheel robot, one motor robot. So there's one motor that's going back and forth, and then these are clutched wheels. They only turn in one direction, so it forces it to sort of move forward in a swimming-like motion.
Interesting. Very cool.
And then we have over here, we have Fish Tank.
Nice, nice.
He's got a little infrared sensor in the front. And I've got little plastic fishes with IR beacons on them that Fish Tank can punch for and scoop up with magnets. And then he's got his own IR beacon on the back. And I made piranha tank there, especially for the purpose of chasing fish tank. And then lastly we have Econospazio over here. Walk up and interact with it and just make him dance and bounce around like
to try some?
They get them bouncing really crazy sometimes. They pop right out.
Nice. All right, cool. Thank you again, Andrew, from
Let's Make Robots.
Let's Make Robots. All right, cool. Thank you again.
Thanks, Colin.
Hi, guys. I'm doing a live stream for Make.
Okay.
And I wanted to come by and see what you're doing.
We have a board here. This is a board for young kids, 3rd graders to 5th graders, to teach robotics and programming concepts. It uses Scratch programming environment and very easy for kids to learn and follow. They have fun while learning and playing. This other one is PyStorms. It's a Raspberry Pi integrated with Lego Mindstorms. You can see here a board created using that. It uses a Raspberry Pi control. And it has also a touchscreen display. You know, kids love to play video games, but we want to be creators. They are not just consumers. So this is the perfect thing. They can just program in Python and become creators of video games.
All right, cool. How do people find you?
On the web. We are on the web at mindsensors.com.
Mindsensors.com. Thank you very much. Excuse me.
There is a lot of people. I love your board though, like the control board.
We don't get breaks at Maker Faire.
I still push.
Hi there.
Hello.
I'm doing a live stream for Make.
Yeah?
I'm doing a live video stream for Make. Who should I talk to about this?
The robot, the robot is an underwater robot, and it's an activity that we are doing for secondary school students. We are from the University of Girona. Girona is near to Barcelona in Spain. And we do this activity with the students just in order to attract them to technology and to robotics. Because one of our interests is to try to attract the students to engineering careers and engineering studies, because there is a lot in Europe and in Spain, there is a lot of problems with this kind of things. And then it's our proposal to build a very low-cost underwater robot just in order to enjoy and to have the first contact with the public university and the first contact with the technological things. That's the point.
All right, thank you.
Very good.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Tell me about your robot.
So our robot is the one that's over there.
Right.
That one is our robot from 2014. So each year we create a new robot, because each year we were given a different game. And the robot over there, the game, basically you had to shoot a really large ball into these balls like 10 feet off the ground. Yeah, so these games are commissioned by a league called First. It's an international league. There are teams from countries like China, Britain, Australia, Brazil. And competing on. Yeah.
Okay. So let's go see your robot. Find some people to talk to. Chilly today. Hi there, how are you today?
Pretty well.
I'm doing a live stream for Make, and I wanted to talk to some random people.
No thanks.
Okay, bye-bye. What? That was unexpected. Yeah, that's a good one. Good afternoon, sir, or morning still, I suppose it is. How are you doing today?
Not too bad. Yourself?
Doing quite well, thank you. My name's Colin.
How you doing?
I'm doing a live stream for Make.
Hi.
I saw you taking a selfie here, and I wanted to come check in with you. See how you're doing, how you're enjoying the show.
So far, so good. I just got here.
Did you?
Yes.
Is this your first time here?
No, this would be my third time.
This is your third time here? What are you most excited to see today?
I'm more excited to see some of the educational kind of things.
Yeah.
So most of the exhibits I've seen before.
Right, right.
So.
What do you happen to do for a living?
I'm a pilot.
You're a pilot, even better.
Yes.
What class of airplane?
It's a CRJ, 50 passenger jet for US Airways Express.
Nice.
So.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Sixth time here. That's exciting. All right. Have a great day.
You too.
Hi there.
Hey.
Tricia's here in a second.
Sorry guys, I was so hangry yesterday.
Yeah, I was feeling the
Like
same
we
way.
had gone all day and like hadn't eaten and all that good stuff. So
Yeah.
welcome back.
Welcome back.
Cardboard
I'm going
tickets.
to talk to some of the kids playing around here.
Sounds great. Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, bud. How you doing?
Good.
What's your name?
Gino.
Gino? Hi, Gino. I'm Colin. I'm doing a live stream for May. I wanted to come by and see how you liked your Pinbox 3000 experience here.
Good.
Yeah? Is this your first time at Maker Faire?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you excited to be here?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you looking forward most to seeing?
The drones.
The which?
The drones.
The drones? Yeah. I'm going to finish my day over there. It's going to be fun.
Okay.
Thanks for talking to me. Hi there. What's your name?
Lily.
What's it?
Lily.
Lily. Nice to meet you, Lily. My name is Colin.
Hi.
How are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. Is this your first time at Maker Faire?
Yeah.
Yeah? You really excited to be here?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing to see here?
I don't know. I like like these. These are really cool.
Yeah, the Pinbox 3000.
Like how all the people making all this stuff.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, that's it.
What do you like to make?
I make stuff for my American Girl dolls and dolls out of this stuff. And I just like to do DIYs a lot.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome. Where are you from?
Long Island.
From Long Island?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you very much for talking to me, Lily.
Where?
Who else did you get to talk to?
That's awesome. This is the Oh, Daddy.
Hi, guys. How are you doing today?
Good.
I'm doing a live stream for Make, and I wanted to come by and see how some of you guys were doing. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is this your first time at Maker Faire?
Yes.
Yeah? What are you excited to see today?
All the robots.
All the robots? Very cool. Thank you. Let's see. I think so. That's a good idea.
Question.
Yes.
Are you live streaming?
I am live streaming.
Oh, okay. Hi.
Hi, how you guys doing?
I'm Jonathan Rubinoff
Hi, Jonathan, from where?
from Queens,
From Queens?
Forest Hills.
Nice to meet you. Is this your first time at Maker Faire?
No, this is our third one.
Your third time here? You must really like making.
Yeah, and it's our homework to come here anyway.
Oh. What do you like to build at home?
I like to make games online.
You like to make what?
Games online.
Games out of things?
Like on the computer.
Oh yeah? Very cool. What have you got there?
They gave me this Atmel chip microprocessor.
Awesome. Well, thank you for coming by to say hi.
Yeah. Hi, YouTube.
Hello.
This is me.
Hi there. I'm doing a live stream for Make. I stopped by earlier while you were out, and I wanted to come by and see what you were doing.
We make gigabits. So this is, desktop toy. I mean, it's a half of machine. And this would be the kinematics. It's using the Johansson linkage, strand bees. design, so it's inspired by that, but this is our take on it. We try to pick it up and make it a little bit better. So this guy would be driven by spring. You just wind up the spring to let it go. This guy supposed to be, driven by electric motors, and they would be chair on top, but during assembly they broke one of the linkage, so it doesn't work. Sorry, but we'll do it next year for sure.
So what's your name, sir?
Daniel Goncharov.
Nice to meet you. And what's the name of your organization?
Zigabis.
Zigabis. And where do people find Zigabis?
On zigabis.com.
Madness.
I know.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Actually did.
That one does look pretty fast.
Hi there. So my name's Colin. I'm doing a live stream for Make. And I wanted to know what you guys were showing off here.
Oh, so I built a smaller version of the Times Square ball.
Of which?
The Times Square ball, the New Year's ball.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So I'll just show you how it works.
Sure.
60 seconds exactly to go down.
Yeah. Nice, very nice. What's the next project you're going to do? You're going to add on to this one? Oh, you want to make an American Girl car wash? Oh, that's pretty neat when you can see something but you can build it yourself, huh? So you make it instead.
So what's the descent mechanism?
So I use a cylinder, a wood cylinder, and it wraps up the string and uses it.
Oh, I can't wait. Do you think you'll bring it here next year so I can see the rest of it?
Uses 2 Arduinos. This one is for the countdown and the push at the end. And I have one right here on the bottom that actually controls the motor and all the buttons over there. It will take 60 seconds to go down exactly, just like during New Year's. And it will play holding sign at the end.
Awesome. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Okay, so take a seat and...
Hello. My name's Colin. What's your name?
Gabriella.
Nice to meet you, Gabriella. What did you build?
I built a doghouse. So I wanted to have a...
That's a very nice piano.
Thank you. I wanted
very much.
a piano for my doll, so I decided to build one myself.
Oh, is that why the sign is there?
It works.
You'll be able to fix it though, right?
Yeah, I fixed
Awesome.
Thank you.
How did you make it?
Well, so we basically just started with like a big flat piece of wood, and then we like just take different pieces and glue them on and cut them into what shape we wanted them to be in.
All right. Thank you. Hi. My name's Colin. What's your name?
What you've done here, buddy.
What is it?
Talia.
Talia. Nice to meet you, Talia. Can you tell me what you built?
I built these shoes.
Uh-huh.
This model of the crank and this
right to your phone?
These 2 cars.
Uh-huh.
This is my first car. This is my last car that I raced. And the small boat.
Very cool. How did you make them?
I and I had a little bit of help by my dad saving my
Awesome. Thank you for talking to me, Talia. Let's go find random people this way.
Speakers at the end, pushes the gas through, and you can see the shape of my voice.
Hi there.
Hey.
How are you?
Good.
Glad to hear that. My name's Colin. I'm doing a live stream for Make.
The sound gets bigger.
Is this your first time at Maker Faire?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is? Where'd you come out from?
I came from upstate.
Upstate?
Yeah.
Yeah? What you excited to see today?
what's a really good way to use this is someone performs for it, either singing
I came here to see everything, and I like it so far. It's really nice. I like it.
Yeah.
It's a great experience. Yeah.
What do you like to make at home?
Justin, where are you from?
I don't normally like to make stuff. Like I do like to make stuff. I don't make stuff at home. I guess you say the closest thing I do to making stuff is Legos. I don't know, but yeah.
Yeah. There's actually a really cool group, just a few tables down there, that make really neat projects out of Legos. You should go check them out. What's your name?
Francis.
Nice to meet you, Francis. Have a great show.
You too, Colin.
Hi guys! Or not, okay.
This way.
Hello, gentlemen. I'm doing a live stream. Would you be willing to talk? Just about what you see in here today?
What we see today?
Yeah, I didn't want to just jump a couple of law enforcement officers on camera. That's okay. That's fine.
Yeah.
No is an acceptable answer to all things.
Me too, man.
All right. Thank you guys anyway. They have guns. I'm not going to surprise them with a live stream in the face. Ooh, these guys weren't here yesterday. Oh, it's the R2 Builders Club. Hey guys. Did you like the R2s they built here?
Yeah, they're really cool.
Yeah, is this your first time at Maker Faire?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you excited to see?
I'm excited to see, well, most of like the robot things. Yeah, me too.
Yeah?
Like that robot.
Yeah, the robot resurrection guy there?
Yeah.
It's huge. There's actually a ladder, you can go up inside it.
What?
Yeah.
Does it cost
You should
money?
go talk to them about it. Take care, guys. Hey guys! So I'm doing a live stream for Make, and I talked to your organization at the Bay Area Fair. Want to know if you guys wanted to talk about what you're doing here.
If you wait 5 minutes, oh no, he's coming right now. He'll talk to you.
Yay!
I'm just, this is Daddy's teacher, not my teacher.
About the guys that made it.
You don't want to lose a hip.
So far, so good. 65 years, I never broke a bone. I don't know.
Hey there, how you doing today,
Jimmy?
sir? My name's Colin. I'm doing a live stream for Make. I think I might have met you at the Bay Area show. You look familiar.
In Celebration?
Yeah.
I was doing the droid races.
Yeah, okay. So, I want to come talk to you guys about Astro Mech and the R2 Club. So, what do you guys have here today?
What's here today?
Yeah, what's here today?
Well, I can't. Come here. He has the black one. I don't know. I forget the.
I forget its designation.
The name. This one's mine.
Like an
Pizza
R5
Rat.
or something.
What's the number of yours?
The black one there is R5J2.
Haha, I was right. Okay. And what inspired you to break from tradition and build the R5 instead of the R2?
I wanted to be different. Everybody seems to go R2D2 first. I wanted something different and unique. So
yeah. Very cool. Now, for those who don't remember, the R5 is the one that breaks down at the beginning of episode 4.
Correct.
So it's obviously nowhere near as good.
This one is better because he was on the Death Star in charge of building it. So yeah, a little bit more motivation to keep his job.
That's true.
He's a bad guy.
Droids aren't good or bad. They just, follow their programming.
Exactly.
All right. So how long have you guys been part of the R2 Club?
I guess I've been about 5 years.
5 years?
Yeah.
How about you?
Since right after Celebration 6.
Yeah?
So, 3, 4 years.
Awesome. How many have you built in your 5 years?
Just this guy. That's
just
it.
The one?
And that's all it's going to be.
Yeah?
Too old for this. He's got 3 more in front of him.
Well, I just have the one, but I also did a mouse droid before this.
You did a which?
Mouse droid.
Oh yeah?
Yes. I did that, and then I did this guy. And I have aspirations to do an actual HD2 as well at some point.
Yeah? And who made the Naboo racer there?
Oh, that's a Toys R Us display from back in the day.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's why it looks so familiar. I used to work in a toy store.
There you go.
Yeah. So how do people get in touch with the Astromech group and the R2 builders?
It's astromech.net.
.net, yeah.
.net, not .com.
Not .com. And it is a global community.
Yeah.
Yeah. How far have you traveled with the R2 Club?
I just went to a celebration.
Yeah. How about you, sir?
As far as I've gone so far.
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much for your time, gentlemen.
Thank you. Have a good one.
I'll see you in England.
Yeah, maybe. I'm a contractor. Sorry about that, sir. That was 6 minutes. But we really, a lot of this stuff just wasn't here yesterday morning. Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. My name is Colin, and I'm doing a live stream for me.
Okay.
And when I came through here yesterday morning, a lot of you guys weren't here.
We were here yesterday.
Were you?
Yeah, from 10 on. And the actual artist, if you would come back, is Natalie Draz, and she's just gone off for a minute. And she's a pop-up artist, so she makes books. These are book structures, which are 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional. So she hand draws them all and hand paints them all and puts them together. So you start with a very simple structure like this scary shark, and then you move to a book much more like that.
Awesome. How do people get in touch with you guys?
We have business cards, or they can go on and it's nataliedraz.com.
Oh, Nat, those are the backers?
Okay. So this is it.
Somebody's sitting there waiting for you. Really easy entry. We give you that culturally appropriate feedback on the tech that's being developed. It's really this nice middle space. You can also just come and volunteer if anybody wants to. We totally work volunteers. We're always looking for more makers to come share ideas and work alongside our makers there. Nepal is they're actually really hungry for it. I was so inspired by the innovative pre-existing Nepali groups that we actually opened up our design of what Nepal Community is going to be to the entire group. We had a 25 different Nepali organization design session. We said, here's what we do in Haiti, here's what we do in the Philippines, what are we going to do in Nepal? And they had just hundreds of ideas that came out of this. One of them was, how to really make that space inclusive. So we're making the whole space wheelchair accessible, things like this. We show it is completely inclusive to every community, every caste system that they have within Nepal. And then there's obviously the really standard way of how it is that you can get involved. We're currently setting up these spaces. It's not cheap by any means. So we are always looking for donations. Here's a little video to play you guys.
So at any time now, this guy's going to get off the stage. We're going to watch NASA make a presentation. Anytime now.
It's estimated that the lives of 8 million people, almost 1/3 of the population of Nepal, have been impacted by these earthquakes. The destruction is widespread and has affected residential and government buildings, heritage sites, schools, hospitals and health clinics, roads, water and power supply systems, agricultural land, and trekking routes. Kinetic is an innovative nonprofit that's pioneered an effective international model for sustainable disaster recovery. We create dynamic, collaborative hubs in affected communities that make a powerful impact by giving individuals the means to become self-reliant.
Nepal is one of the most forward, innovative thinking countries on the planet, despite being one of the poorest. There is an enthusiasm and an ability to not just recover from this earthquake, but to build a more resilient Nepal.
I'm trying to bring it back to the villages so that each village in itself is self-sustainable in terms of what it provides in terms of economy, in terms of agriculture, health, education, and infrastructure facilities.
The Nepal Resource Center and Innovation Hub will provide the space, materials, and resources for individuals and organizations to meet and engage with each other while enriching the community with ideas, skills, and a shared purpose. From Nepali organizations to homeowners to engineering students, the Resource Center will provide a unique space in Nepal where experimentation and innovation can thrive. We are currently working with over 25 Nepali charities, small businesses, youth groups, and individuals to make sure that the Nepal Community Resource Center and Innovation Hub meets the needs and expectations of the people who will be using it.
If we can provide the tools and the means with your help, they can do the job.
New ideas can grow, and new models of social and economic development become thinkable.
We did lose a lot of lives, we did lose a lot of monuments, and Nepal is not Nepal right now. But I really think that we can recover from this and we can rise from the rubble.
With our experience in Haiti and the Philippines, we know that with your help, working alongside the amazing Nepali organizations, Kinetic can make a difference. Please donate whatever you can. Every little bit makes a big difference. So I think that's about it. Hopefully it gives you guys an overview. And this really is an open invitation to get involved. If you've ever been interested in anything, any sort of innovation making in other countries, please guys come. We've got Jessica, who is here as our country director from Haiti. We've got board members here. We'll have a whole little group right out here. We have Kachina, if you guys want to, Kachina, can you raise your hand? Hey, Kachina was just in Haiti a few days ago, where she did a full virtual reality tour of the entire space in Port-au-Prince. So if you want to check it out, we're going to meet over on the side over there. She can take a little bit of the tour, or you can just come and check it out yourself in person. Thank you, guys.
Yes, right here.
Are we doing something with those? No, I just.
Hi there. Doing pretty good. How about you?
Doing well.
I was starting to worry how much time that guy thought he was going to take up.
I know, right? This is NASA, man. It starts on time.
Hey, what do we care about starving refugees when we could live on Mars?
We got another planet we gotta get.
Yeah.
They'll have like spray thing.
I think Mars needs some freedom.
I need to make you shepherd my stuff.
So you're Janet?
I am Janet. I'm one of the Janets.
Alistair Allen. Hi, we've been emailing.
Oh, yeah.
Hi.
I'm the Janet you've been emailing.
Ah, right, excellent. Okay.
So it's breaking.
Yeah, it's good to meet you too. So I shot some implements with Sam this morning on why NASA needs makers, and I shot Monty on the challenge program and also her idea about the makerspace on the ISS, which is pretty cool and will appeal to our audience a lot. So no, I think we're good. It's like I've got stills here, I've got video, and we've got live stream. So it's going out, and I'll write the post later. So it should go today.
Monty there?
What? Where'd Hepto? I can't find her.
That's because he's tall.
I like that I fit in right below his
Yeah.
It's true.
I let him break a path and then I just sneak in and ride on his coattails.
Let's see where I can get a good vantage point. I'll just pretend I'm part of European Space Agency. Right? Yeah, I fit in. No? Okay. No reaction.
Before we start, I would like for everybody to give a round of applause to John, who's going to sing for us. Yes, good morning. Can you hear me? Yes? Good. I'm losing my voice from a lot of talking today, so it is really exciting to be here this morning. This is a combination of very many long days of work for our team at NASA and the team at our partners in America Makes to make sure that you all have the opportunity to participate in a super cool challenge. NASA has challenges to help us get to Mars, and we'd like all of you to be involved. And this is the first time we have a challenge that brings the talents of people outside of engineering and science. So we're super excited about having you here and about these checks, and want to make sure that you understand that this is just the beginning of this challenge. It was pointed out that the talk before us, it was about houses being destroyed. Our challenge is about making houses on Mars, but definitely have a very good connection to making houses, affordable houses for Earth too. So, so this is just the beginning, and I do want to make sure that you understand that this is an effort, a very big team effort. with NASA. So there's a lot of people with NASA meeples going around in our team that deserve a big thank you from everybody. And no matter what happens today, you know, there's going to be 3 people that will win today, 3 teams that will win today. Everybody that is here is a winner. You submitted a winner out of
162 applications.
62 applications. You made up to the top 30, so you already won. And if you don't win 1, 2, and 3, please take the opportunity in the Makers Faire to start putting your teams together for the next part of this competition whenever it gets announced.
Outstanding. So everyone can hear me, I'm guessing? So I'm from America Makes. My name is John Wazinski. So I represent the 3D printing side of the world, or at least what we bring to that. And with that, we've been part of this big team that's been working on this for, feels like, a year and a half or so, forever. But it's been literally, I think, a year and a half from when we came up with the concept together with NASA, put it together, started the journey, which we announced at Maker Faire in San Mateo in the spring. So it's been 5 or so months and a tremendous amount of work for us, but I'm guessing all of you have done a little bit yourself as well. So thanks to everyone that's here. We really appreciate all the teams that showed up. Almost every team is here and represented in the top 30 right now. A couple from overseas were not able to attend, but there are actually a number of folks from overseas that did attend. So it's been an amazing journey to get to this point. Like Muncie said, we're going to award a handful of awards. The reality is the ideas that came in were absolutely amazing, way beyond what we ever thought was going to come in the amount of time that we made available, what we were asking for. So specifically, we were challenging the community to identify what do you think a habitat would look like on Mars, and then had a variety of different criteria attached to that, from everything from architectural feasibility and look and feel, public appeal, up to is it really possible, and is there 3D construction ability, if that's a word, with it as well. So we're going to go through, we actually have a number of different awards we're going to give away today. We're going to ask that a representative from the team comes up and represents your team if you're awarded. And for a quick photo op, we're going to do a bunch of press after the fact for all you teams, and we want to make sure we get the message out for each and every one of you. But we're going to start first with the honorable mentions. And so for these folks, as many of you are aware, probably everyone in here, we did a People's Choice, or we're doing a People's Choice Award, and we had a number of people visit our booth over the last day. So these honorable mentions are kind of a combination of folks that received a large number of votes from the People's Choice, as well as those that scored high technically. So first up, get my little cheat sheet out here. For honorable mention is team number 18. Forgive me, I know these basically by team number at this point in time. Mullis L5. Is there a representative from that team here? Sorry, I also don't know the name of the teams that actually put these together. Next up for honorable mention is number 17, the hemispheric habitat. And the third honorable mention that we're going to go away is number 5, the bubble base. Quick photo op. for everyone. So if we can get this group to, because we don't have a ton of room, we still have a handful more to give away. Kind of take off. Exit to the right. Go see Amy. Oh yeah, I forgot one important piece of information. Amy Bechtel, who's been a huge support for us at America Makes, helping out with the challenge. Each of the winning teams is going to be also giving one of the NASA meatballs that we have had over in our booth. Muncie can begin to explain what a meatball is, but we just call it that. So this is an example of the meatball that we're giving away. These were printed by 3D Systems for Us, which is one of the America Makes members. So they provided all of these kind of prizes for what we're giving away for the hourly drawings over in our booth, and then as well as the 8 top awards that we're giving away.
Let me explain. It looks like a meatball.
Oh, thanks.
And it says NASA, and they're really cool. And not even us have one. So you guys are really special because they are really nice.
So next up, we have 3 different Best in Class awards that we're going to be giving away. First up is Best in Class for Use of Space, which is number 14, the Seed Habitat. Next Best in Class award goes for Best in Class for Design, and that goes to submission number 13, which is Neo-Native. And the last Best in Class is for technical, and it's to team number 25 for the Donut House. Get your photo op. Thanks everyone. So these are the 3 Best in Class representatives. If you guys can head over and see Miss Amy Bechtel, who you've known to love over the last 5 months. Next award that we're going to give away before we get into the top 3 prize awards is for the People's Choice Award, or actually 4. And it is for the ballots that we've been handing out over in the booth all day yesterday. We had over 1,000 different people come up and fill out ballots and submit them. Spent a couple minutes tallying them up last night. Or I didn't, but they did. And the People's Choice Award goes to team number 12, Gamma. So now we're going to, we have the, in preparation for the 3, excuse me, there's 3, not 5, paid awards. We have a first runner-up. So the first runner-up is team number 29, Hybrid Composites. They're not here. They actually dropped their model off and had to head back to the West Coast. So they are not here right now. The now we're getting into top 3 prizes. Oh, yeah. Judges, they were important. Good point. Thank you, judges. No. So we had a whole team of people that were involved over the various steps, as you guys are all very aware of what it took to get to this point. We had a series of different down selections for everyone else that's here, where we started at 162 original submissions, down selected, pushed a whole bunch of work onto them. They responded. We down selected to 100 or so, I think, 90 something. Asked all of them to then do a whole bunch more work and submit full white papers, essentially, with technical detail backup, drawings, etc. Then we went through all of those, down selected to 30, and there was a huge team of people from America Makes, NASA, outside organizations. We relied on a number of different architects and designers to help us get to this point. And we have 2 minutes and 18 seconds left. And get that, and everyone else that helps. 3rd place, thank you everyone, judges, there was a ton of time. 3rd place prize for the 3D Printed Habitat Challenge competition.
Make a noise because they really, these prizes are super cool. Lots of prizes.
Lots of noise. 3rd place is team number 6, the Lava Hive.
A big check. You just won $10,000 from the NASA side, but I'm sure you want the right check with the right amount, so we will send it to you. But congratulations.
What she's trying to say is I made a mistake. Yeah. So we'll get that. Should have mentioned huge prize, 3rd place, $10,000. The 2nd place prize up next is 2nd place, which is a $15,000 award, is for team. Oh, stay up here. No? Okay, I'm sorry. Thank you. Team 12, Team Gamma.
$15,000 and a big check that will be made to you, and with the right amount, and we'll send it to you.
I don't know if we'll send it.
Oh, I think they want to, don't you?
Yeah, well, FedEx a big check.
They want a big check.
Yes, ma'am. Most impressive.
And we have a big check.
And we have a big check. The $25,000 goes to team Ice Hut, Team 20. Yes, well, thanks everyone for coming out. Yes, you can keep that one. You can't cash it, but you can keep it. Good luck. So thanks everyone for coming out. Huge success of the challenge. Come back and see us in Zone 2. There's amazing models back there for anyone who hasn't stopped back. tons of opportunity to come together and figure out what's next. So.
And you talk among yourself and go and find partners for the next phase of this. So we would like to see all of you competing in the next phase.
Sorry about that.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I'm just gonna see if I can talk to one of you.
Yeah, I have
For front left or front right?
Where's your team from? We're New Yorkers.
We're New York based, yeah.
It's university or?
We have all academic affiliations, but we're independent. We did the project independently from.
Okay, well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
I'm actually doing a live stream from Make.
Okay,
and you just won. Do you want to say something?
Well,
to
we
the
have
internet at large?
to call our colleagues who didn't make it for the awards ceremony, so that's what we're in the middle of doing.
All right.
Look
I hope
up
they're watching
Ostap.
Sure.
We need to get them on the phone.
Absolutely.
This is more important, unfortunately, than press. Did you reach her?
No. Well, thank you guys.
Text her. We won.
I'm so proud of you all.
Thank you. We're really excited.
All right. Take care,
we
guys.
need to calm down and process this.
You're not going to calm down for at least a week. Just accept it. Move on. All right. Thanks, guys. All right. Let's head this way. Right? Yeah, it's time to head this way.
Drone zone.
One of my assistants suddenly got taller and, you know, a full-time employee, and thus I'm technically his assistant. That was exciting. I really wanted to catch the guy that got second place, because, I mean, he got second place, but he also got People's Choice. So I think that really has to feel pretty good. Sure. Okay. Ooh. I'm definitely looking forward to lunch today. Super sleepy. Sorry, I'm shifting my shoulder harness. That's the pizza spot. Now you know why you're in my pocket.
Cool. About it? Take your video here? There's booth in there.
Yeah, the Maker Faire video.
I just thought of something. I wonder how much overlap there is between the maker community and the prepper community. The apocalypse prep community. I think that's interesting. Someone's doing CNC sand art.
Manifest of futurism.
Yeah, it's drone over here.
No, Marionetti. Oh, he was a fascist.
Huh?
I mean, Marionetti. You know Marionetti? Tomaselli Marionetti? He plotted destruction and stuff like that.
Huh. I think that guy might have been oversimplifying things.
I know, you getting hungry for real food though?
You having fun? Yeah? Good. My company's not too unbearable. Yes. Where we're going, we don't need lines.
Yeah, this is a hand.
All of these are 3D printed. Your workshop is here?
Emily. Oh, Max should be. Oh, Nat with Emily. Yes, I see them. Yeah. Hi there.
Hi.
How are you?
Yeah, good. Welcome to the Maker Shed.
Hey, it's a shed full of maker stuff.
Well, let me show you around a little bit. This is where we have all of our great products that we feature in Make Magazine as well as makershed.com. Let's get out of the way. Let's go this way.
Sure. I bow to your superior experience. So, where do you want to start?
Are you live all the time?
Oh yeah, I'm live all the time.
Hey guys, come here.
So it's really busy in here, so we'll try not to fall over kids and everyone else. But this is our area for 3D printing. We are so grateful to have Ultimate Simple here today, helping us out, talking to people. Great printers, great stories, lots of fun.
Okay. Do you own a 3D printer personally?
What's that?
Do you own your own 3D printer?
No, but I work for Make, luckily. So I get to print off about
15 different types of printers. So I have a great
Which
time.
one would you buy?
Okay, the one that I really like is the Dremel Idea Builder.
Really?
The reason is because it's easy to use, it's simple, and it doesn't clog us that much. It's like really a great printer for and the cost is so low. So
I noticed the Sprout people, the HP Sprout people, are always using the Dremel one.
Yep. It's
okay. Do you have? Looks like you only have the extrusion printers. You don't have the.
Right. Only extrusion
SLI?
printers in the shed. Well, like Formlabs and other printers that build up. Yeah. Right now, I mean, we have a lot more online. So, but for the sake of being here at World Maker Faire, we just wanted to keep it quite simple.
Right.
We also have the 3 Doodler, which is a nice handheld.
I've always wanted to see one of those.
Oops, sorry. So these are pretty great. You can like basically create whatever you want, like you're drawing with a pen, but in live 3D. I've always wanted to do something where you play like charades with your friends with 3 Doodler. See how talented you are with it. Yeah.
I will be honest, when I first saw the 3 Doodler, I thought to myself, somebody took a hot glue gun and made it better.
Yeah, okay, that's true. But that's almost like what 3D printing is all about, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's next?
Over to our drones.
The drones?
So this year is really great because we have a drone cage built in the shed. So
see that?
Yeah, since the New York Hall of Science is a national park, we have rules where we can't fly drones out in the open. Yeah, we have to abide by those rules. So we built this great enclosure for flying your drone. And our makers on site here are the Parrot folks, and we also have the micro drone people. And we can take a closer look if you want to get closer and look at the flying. We could even get in the cage. Oh, and if you look down here too, that's one of the new Parrot jumping drones. Woohoo!
A little jumping. I was looking at somebody earlier that made a 1-motor, 3-wheel.
Oh wow!
Goldfish.
Yeah. Can we get in the cage with you?
Sure. The only thing I recommend you do is
right here.
just because it's kind of a standard.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Yeah.
Since it is breathing and safety first, I have my sunglasses with me, so I think that'll work for me. Cool.
Gotta argue with my headphones to get safety glasses.
So in this speed capture, we're gonna come in with the camera.
Great, lovely. That's cool.
This is completely like a shed exclusive.
Yeah.
We have the talent to do it. Oh. So we're lucky enough to. There you go.
And what's the name of this drone? The which?
Micro Drone Maker Edition.
Very nice. Nice flip. Are you guys gonna join up with the drone fighting league?
Yeah, we are. Turning the blades back on. You let it fly 1 second. Here we go.
Right now we're gonna try this one too. Oh wait. Sorry. What's up? Why it's not? Oh sorry.
Okay.
No, it's not flying here.
Try again, just give it in.
So you know what's cool about these? They're really little bit. They sell. We now have camera kits that go on them, and you can do live video.
Nice.
As well as videos. They all come with a micro SD card.
not bad. No, I don't want to try both of them.
These guys make it look easy?
Oh, no, it's not. Yeah. Wow. Okay.
Let me check out a couple more things.
Yeah, of course.
That's amazing. Amazing. That's so cool.
Come on this way. I want to show you a couple of my favorite things.
Yeah.
So everything in this area is so awesome and lights up and is reactionary. Our friends at Attendee created this awesome music reactive and touch reactive sensors. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Which one do you want to see first? The music soul?
Yeah, why don't we talk about that?
So we'll have plug the audio cable in, power, and then we have a bunch of modes that you can go through. This is the rainbow mode that you're seeing right here. So it's measuring frequency and volume, and it's converting it to color. Over there, we got the rainbow light show, and this is a three distance sensors with 3 color channels. The closer you get, the brighter it gets. So what you can do is mix up for all types of different colors in between, sort of wave it around.
So what you need to do is build one of those into your theremin.
Absolutely, yeah. Same thing.
Alright.
TV shades. These are some great glasses.
I saw one of those at the bar the other day.
Yeah. This is the first time they're presenting at Faire, so you guys want to tell us a little bit about your glasses too?
Sure. Yeah, they're Arduino compatible LED array you can wear, and you can see through them. I don't know if this gets the picture across, but no light comes through on the back, but it's a very bright, colorful array on the front. You just have the USB port here. You can reprogram this to do any text, any patterns that you could come up with, and just have fun learning, or just go out and party and be the center of attention. So we're pretty stoked about our new packaging too. So
basically, you're going to be like the coolest person in the club or anywhere else.
That's true.
Yeah, they're definitely a conversation starter.
Yeah, thanks guys.
Thanks.
Speaking of seeing and glasses and things, this is another great new product. And it's a virtual glasses kit that you can actually use with your iPhone or your Android.
Nice.
Yeah, if you want to take a peek, you can kind of get the gist of what it looks like on that monitor. And when you move around with it, it actually moves what you're seeing with it. So let's see. And we can look around.
Okay.
So I can even look to the left, and if you see it on the big camera, and look to the right, or wait, left. Okay, yeah. It's been a long weekend. Left, right, and down. This is one of my newest favorite products too.
It's reminiscent of the Google Cardboard.
It's reminiscent of what?
Google Cardboard.
Oh yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Have you ever heard of Tiny Circuits?
Just by name.
Let's go check those guys out.
Yeah.
They usually have a crowd around the table at all times because it's pretty cool stuff. So this is some of the product here. If you have a little console handy, I'd love to show it off to our live stream.
Sure. Should I come around there, or you?
Yeah. So just like the name, it is tiny.
Yes. I will grab some things. Excuse me for 1 minute. I'm going to steal
and definitely, as you can see, like people don't want to move out of the way because this is so cool and popular.
Yeah. And my mount is slipping, so the world got perfect.
What are we showing? Just video game?
Yeah, so we're live right now. This is our live stream for Maker Faire.
Okay.
and I was saying how I love tiny circuits.
Yeah, so it's a little tiny Arduino compatible system, and this is something called the tiny screen, and this is a little, basically a little OLED screen, so we're playing a video game here. This is actually Asteroids, and I'm doing very poorly at it. And then also we have this, which is kind of cool, a tiny little arcade cabinet. So the circuitry's in there. This is playing Space Invaders. So this is actually playable. So as you move around, the joystick, kill the aliens. But it's a cool little system that people can put things together with.
I need like super glasses to be able to win that game.
This game is hard.
Yeah. Well,
the kids do amazingly well at it, so.
Cool,
That's
thanks
really
for
cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks for giving us a minute.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
All right. So why don't we go over to Robotics?
Okay.
They have a great, I don't know if you've heard about the mouse bot, but it reacts to light. It's UV light sensitive. So again, I have to reiterate, it is busy in the shed.
Yes. That's just because all the cool stuff's there, right?
Yeah, that's right. And you can take it home.
And then you can build your own menorah. The Mega Menorah 9000.
Exactly. A little bit for everybody.
Yeah. Oops, sorry.
Oh my god.
Gotta be careful about my stray elbows.
Yeah, right?
Ooh, that guy looks familiar. I wonder why.
Some babbler. Are you okay? We're on our Maker Faire live stream, and we just wanted to visit the table and show a couple things. Do you guys have a mouse bot running?
Yeah.
But what does it do? What does it do? So this is the output. So you're going to want to put something, and you can do inventory in between. Sorry.
Now you need to start offering a cheese wedge flashlight, like a cheese wedge laser pointer,
or sensors that can smell cheese.
There you go.
Cheese-seeking mouse.
Or a small cheese robot with a light.
I think maybe a cat to chase the mouse.
Yeah. So I was telling you about the people that made the goldfish.
Yeah.
One of the other things they made was a tank for the big fish on it. And it goes around picking up food, and then he put an IR transmitter on the back of it, and a piranha tank to follow it around. Yeah. So, mouse.
We also have little bits next door. Really crazy. We want to work with electronics. I was trying to make a motion. It's so cool.
My hotel roommate actually just bought some little bits. He bought the MIDI controller.
Yeah, the synth kit.
Yeah.
Great.
Okay, so the synthesizer works really simply. To make it work, you just need a keyboard, an oscillator, and then just one effect. So I'm going to go with delay.
But you got that first. That guy's hilarious.
Robotic arms. Oh, those headphones.
What was that?
Nice headphones, man.
Thank you.
I have the ones but in green.
What was that?
I have those in green.
I got them at a trade show. I was lucky enough to get the Razer people to comp them for me.
Wow.
It was pretty sick. Yeah. For those who can't, see me, I'm wearing a set of Razer Kraken headphones in bright fucking orange. Sorry.
Flippin'.
Bright
flippin' drone orange.
Yes, safety orange. My ears are safe.
Oh, this guy.
The Nekomimi.
Yeah, the Nekomimi, but it looks like the batteries might be dead.
Yeah, I think so.
We'll have to fix that. We also have this wonderful thing, the Pebble Watch, which I'm actually wearing.
I've always wanted a pebble.
When I work at Faire, this is a great thing to have now because if anybody needs anything and I can't get to my phone or I don't feel it, it rings or buzzes on my wrist, and I come running.
I really want a pebble.
Yep. Well, we sell them here. Well, actually, we have some sales.
What
so
was that?
we sell them here and we have sales too.
Yeah.
So
I'll have to keep an eye out.
Yep. Flip book kits?
The which?
The flip book kits?
No.
These are pretty great. And we should also talk to Strawbees before you go.
Okay.
Maybe Percy will put his hat on for us.
Oh, that's awesome.
I wish these things would come off so you could fix it.
Oh, yeah.
Be nice.
So this is basically old school gears that make beautiful pictures, just like zoetropes or anything else.
Even better. I know the name of that. I learned it in After Effects.
And it keeps your head cool.
Yeah.
Nice little built-in fan. See, we got more over here. Oh yeah, there. So, see.
Wow.
This is what happened before television. Crazy.
It's like a hard copy gift.
Wow, these ones are going crazy. Look at this. I mean, the product's cool, but also the display is pretty impressive.
It really is.
Ooh, naughty. Well, let's head over and talk to the guys at Strawbees.
Sure.
Do you know about Strawbees?
I saw them at Bay Area.
There's a lot you can do with them.
They were just getting ready to kickstart a new
show a couple things off.
Yeah, we just show off.
I think it was the female chick that they were getting ready to. I don't remember now.
Yeah.
Oh, and look.
Hey.
So yeah, the potential of Strawbees is obviously easy to build super large things with just a few pieces, and we have this addition called Quirkbot that can motorize or add sensors and other inputs and outputs. For example, now we look at this as the brain, which controls a little motor in the heart. Yeah. I'm gonna try to put in another motor for the legs so you can jump around a little bit.
What's the coolest thing that you've seen or like that you loved making with Strawbees?
With Strawbees, I mean, for me, it's so intuitive and easy to just start building, and then if something is too long, you just cut it off, easy and fast, and you just keep on going. Like I started with just actually to make the spine because it was interesting to me to see how it could work, but and then just figure out your way.
And do you come up with all the projects? Do you guys come up with all the projects on your own, or?
Well, all the things, we don't have any instructions at all, so everything that we do is just like, oh, okay, I'm gonna make a shark, and then someone starts building it.
Oh yeah.
It has a drone, so it's a flying shark. Adding the motor so the yaw goes up and down.
And this one rolls, I've seen it rolling around.
Yeah. So, powering this one on, let's see if it has batteries. There we go, yeah.
Kind of like a gyroscope.
Yeah.
The hamster wheel.
Yeah. I mean, I guess that you could use that with kids too to keep them busy for hours.
For sure.
They'll run after it.
Yeah. And it just keeps going.
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks. Let's head over to one more place and send you on your way.
All right. And then I will go get lunch.
Yeah.
Sit down, look at it, and then take a second lap. Are you here for both days? Or?
Excuse us here real quick. You know how they say the simplest things can be the most fun?
Oh, yes.
So this is called H-Robotics. And it's just awesome. It's fun. And you can control your balloon going up and down and wherever, what length. Sadly, I've seen a lot of moms and dads be getting hit in the face by the